Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Winter 2023 The Lifestyle Box for Women unboxing. I'm so excited to be unboxing this right now, but as I'm talking, I am definitely sounding nasally, so I am getting over a cold, but I could not wait any longer to unbox this box because it is truly one of my favorite subscriptions that I get. It's from The Balanced Company, which I have shared a lot of their subscription boxes here on my YouTube channel, so make sure you check out that content if you want to see more. But so The Balanced Company is a women-owned company that really just helps you live a balanced lifestyle. And they have so many different types of subscriptions for snacking, lifestyle for men and women, but also for the holiday season, they have special holiday boxes, which are the perfect gift because they ship free. They're a one-time subscription, plus they even have a custom build your own box option right now. So I will of course have all of this information in the description down below, plus my discount code Christy20, which gets you 20% off your first balanced box. So now, without further ado, I cannot wait any longer to unbox my lifestyle box for women for the winter. It's a nice heavy box. You always get such incredible value. Right on top here, I thought this was packaging material, but there's something in it, so I'm gonna unwrap it. It's like unwrapping a present. Okay, oh my gosh. Look at the first product that I pulled out. This is so cute. And I don't have anything like this, but I feel like this is exactly what I need for any sort of table surface. Put like perfumes on this, on a vanity. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. I'm so excited already. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Sneak peek. There are so many products in here. Okay, I'm gonna pull out these two. These are Glow and Relax from the brand Wild Remedies Magic Lattes, Strawberry Frosé, 12 sachets, and then this one's Almond Lavender Dream. Wow, thrive from the inside out with magic lattes. This is so cool. Yeah, you can make it a hot latte, an iced latte. This is so unique, but sounds amazing. Like, I am definitely going to try these out. They sound like exactly something I would love, but in the cutest packaging. So once again, it's Glow Strawberry Rosé Magic Latte, and then this one is the Relax Almond Lavender Dream Magic Latte. I am blown away by this box already. Just such useful products that are also still like treat yourself, live your best life, that balanced lifestyle. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm getting like these great like duos. So this is from Mrs. Meyer's, the Clean Day Lotion in Plum Berry scent. I am obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's scents. And then this here is hand soap in the scent Oat Blossom. What an awesome combination. We've got hand soap, hand lotion, perfect too, especially if you're like hosting during the holidays to set these out in your guest bathroom. So nice. Or of course, just an everyday great product. I love a scented lotion and a scented soap, so these are right up my alley. Ooh, okay, this next product is really cool. This is a glass spray bottle that says Nantucket Footprint, keeping little footprints front of mind. Cute. And then this grapefruit and bergamot all-purpose cleaning strips. Highly concentrated cleaning strips, just add water. This is so neat and eco-friendly to make. Again, all-purpose cleaning spray. Place 2 strips inside an empty 16-ounce spray bottle. Fill the bottle with water. Shake until the strips are dissolved. That is so cool. I have never tried anything like this, but this, once again, is following the theme of this box. Products that are useful, right up my alley, that I can use right away, but that I've never even tried before, never even kind of even considered getting for myself, but now that I have, I am so excited about it. So just think of how great this could be to gift to someone. Or if you get this subscription box yourself, you can break it up into so many great gifts for people. Me, however, I'm going to have a hard time parting ways with any of these products. Let's see what else I got. Ooh, from the brand Eco Lips. I've gotten a few products from this brand in the balanced boxes before, but this is a lip scrub. Ooh, brown sugar, organic coconut and jojoba oils. This is perfect for the winter as my lips are getting extra chapped. Next, oh my gosh, another lip. Oh wait, no, this is a lip mask. So you've got the lip scrub and then the lip mask. Perfect for my dry lips, like I was just saying. The lip mask is also from the brand Eco Lips, the Intensive Overnight Lip Mask in Blackberry. I use a lip mask every night, so I'm very excited to get this. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Radiant Love Rose Quartz and Lava Stone Aromatherapy Bracelet. I didn't even know that aromatherapy bracelets were a thing, and this is so cute. I feel like I should put this on right away. Rose quartz is commonly known as the stone of the heart, and as it channels healing energies of unconditional love and compassion and peace, radiant love, and carry your favorite scent with you throughout the day by adding a few drops of essential oils to the lava beads. Oh my gosh, that is so neat. And so cute. I love that. And then, seriously, I said there's so many products in here. Next, from the brand Vor. I don't think I'm familiar with this brand. This is She Is Like the Wind, ooh, Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner. Oh yeah, this is perfect for me. I wash my hair like 2 times a week, so I do need a day of dry shampoo, and I am excited to try this out. I love that it says it's invisible and a shampoo and conditioner. Very cool. Aw, and then this 100 Things to Do on Tough Days. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Definitely something that will come in handy. And then the final product in here is the Based Indulgent Body Lotion in the scent Creme Brulee. Perfect for the winter when my skin is getting so dry, my hands get so dry. Yes, everything in this box is so perfect. I absolutely love it. I am never let down by a Balanced Company subscription box, and this is just so perfect for the winter for me. But let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box. And of course, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.